So boron occurs in nature in the form of two isotopes having atomic mass 10 and 11. What are the percentage abundances of two isotopes in a sample of boron having average atomic mass 10.8? So how did you do it?
So I let the first abundance of 10 boron be X because we don't know the value.
Okay.
And then for 11, it will be 100 minus the X because for average. And then when we do for the average atomic mass, they're already given, which is like 10.8, which is given. So it will be like X, which is for 10 boron, into 10 plus 100 minus X into 11 for the 11 boron upon 100. And as the average is already given, we'll be putting equal to 10.8. And then it's linear equation basically.
Great. So this is what you have done.
Yeah, kind of. I didn't put the 100 actually. I let the 100 be below and like that I've done. I didn't put X upon 100.
Yeah, that is absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So this 100 I will take here multiplied by 100, so this will become 1080. Fine. So this would be this would be 10x plus 100 minus x is equal to 1080. So 9x would be 980, and have I done a mistake somewhere?
I think so. You missed out 11. I can't see that written anywhere.
1080 minus 100. Oh, yeah. Yes. So, yes, you are right. So, this would be 100 minus x percent into 11
Yeah.
is equal to 10.8. So, 11 is equal to 1080. So, 10x plus 1100 minus 11x is equal to 1080. So,
Yeah.
this would be
Minus
yeah,
X.
20 is equal to x. Is it making sense?
Yeah.
Great. So one is 20%, the other is 80%. So are we comfortable with this concept now? Avantika, are we comfortable with the concept of
Yeah.
this average atomic mass?
Yeah.
So yesterday when we were discussing, we took the example of carbon. So usually they also discuss the concept of chlorine, why chlorine has fractional atomic mass. And then if you see neon, so again the same logic would be applicable. So these are few of the examples, hit examples. So example of carbon, you have an example of chlorine, you have an example of neon, you have an example of argon, you will have a concept, example of boron. So whenever they ask you, or some way or the other, they are a question related to this average atomic mass or fractional atomic mass is asked, you can give any of these examples. Usually the hit examples are carbon, chlorine, hydrogen is another very common example that is given for isotopes. We have understood the concept of isotope. Isotope is not an issue now.
No.